In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a page on your Wix website. This process is very straightforward and simple to do, so let's just get straight into it. To add a new page, you want to go to the Wix website editor. If you land on your dashboard when you log into Wix, just go here and click on Edit Site. Then you'll be in the Wix website editor. Then you want to click this top button at the top, or no, this one, sorry, menus and pages, the one underneath this plus icon, menus and pages. Then you just want to click on Add Page. It's going to load up a whole bunch of options. You can see you can add an about, services, projects, contact, and so on and so forth. Or you could just add a blank page. And you can see here it is. Here's my blank page. You can give it a name. So for me, this is a tech website. So I'll just put Android. And then click on done. Just a random name to name the page. Close out of there. And here you can see here's my new page. And it's completely blank, and then you can go in and edit that however you would like, and that's all there is to it. So that is how you add a page onto your Wix website. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.